Hello entrepreneurs and potential vendors. If you're eager to become a registered vendor contractor in the beautiful Martin County, Florida using the efficient Demand Star vendor portal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of becoming a vendor contractor in this serene county. Let's get started. To start, let's understand what the Demand Star vendor portal is. It's an online platform used by government agencies, including Martin County, to connect with vendors for various procurement opportunities. Kickstart your journey by accessing the official Martin County website and navigating to the Demand Star vendor portal. You will automatically be redirected to Demand Star's website once you click the Demand Star hyperlink. Click Register as a business. Type in your email address and company name. Click on Create your Demand Star account. Then, log in your account using your new username and password. During the registration process, you'll likely be asked to specify your location or service area. Choose Martin or enter the relevant geographical information. Type agency name in the search by agency name. Then select Florida for state and Martin for county. Next, search for commodity codes. What are commodity codes? Commodity codes are used to classify goods and services in government contracts. Click the Edit button to add your commodity codes. Clearly define the services you intend to offer as a vendor contractor. Specificity is key, as this information will be used to match you with relevant opportunities from the commodity code list. Click Submit, and your commodity codes are saved. In Section 3 of 4, you can choose your subscriptions. Depending on your preference, you can subscribe to all of Florida or parts of Florida, or to other counties and agencies. Depending on Demand Star's policies, you might need to provide payment information for registration fees or access to certain opportunities. Make sure you understand any associated costs. Finally, provide your main contact information as well as company information to complete your profile. The certification section allows you to select any certification that your company holds. In the self-declaration section, declare yourself. Once your profile is set up, use the platform's search or filters to find opportunities specifically related to Martin County. These could include requests for proposals, RFPs, bids, and other contracting opportunities posted by local government agencies or organizations. When you find a relevant opportunity, follow the instructions provided to submit your bid or proposal. Be sure to adhere to any specific requirements outlined in the opportunity description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.